Node.js and NPM, two package managers using for JavaScript development program. Node.js and NPM setup in VS Code. Browser open, search box లో Node.js download, enter key press. Official link first section లో display nodejs.org download Node.js. First link, mouse left click. Node.js official redirectory web page, complete display. Download button selected. Download Node.js section లో get Node.js latest version 22.15.1 LTS long time supported version for Windows. Other users OS, right side down arrow click. Supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux, ATX. First one Windows and using with NPM. Down arrow click. Default first one NPM. Mouse scroll down or get a pre-built Node.js for Windows running a OS supporting architecture x64-bit. Right side down arrow click. 86 users second one, ARM 64 users third one select. Present x64-bit select. Below section lo two buttons display. First one Windows installer MSI Microsoft installer. Second one standard alone binary zip. First button Windows installer MSI, click. Download section lo Node.js MSI exe setup file downloading process start. File size 29.7 MB. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo node MSI file display. Mouse right click. First option open, click. Download folder minimize. Node.js setup window lo welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Second button next click. End user license agreement. Please read the following license agreement carefully. Complete application related license info display in middle section. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Third button next click. Destination folder, choose a custom location or click next to install. Install Node.js to installation location and path display. Local disk C, program files, newly created folder Node.js. In case change the another one drive, change button click. Second button next click. Custom setup, select the custom setup. Select the way you want features in be installed. Fourth button next click. Tools for native modules. Some NPM modules need to be completed from C and C++ when installing. Present unnecessary and chocolatey unnecessary. Skip this option. Second button next click. Ready to install Node.js. Second button install, click. Installing Node.js, verifying system. Please wait while the setup wizard install Node.js. MSI window lo first button yes, click. Status copying new files. Completed the Node.js setup wizard. Node.js has been successfully installed. Second button finish, click. Windows search box lo VS Code type. First one Visual Studio Code, click. Welcome page, close. Terminal menu click. New terminal, first option select. In this description section lo pasted command npm related as the same copy command paste here. Keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V, enter key press. Verifying installation Node.js package manager and npm. Node space -v, enter key press. npm text command, enter. npm space -v, enter key press. Installation npm latest version 10.9.2. next npx space -v, enter key press.